name's Darryl Wilkes. I've been a surfboard shaper now for about 38 years. I've shaped something in excess of 10 to 15,000 boards by hand, and I work down in Mandurah in the south of Perth in Western Australia. I always wondered, can the thruster be improved on? And what if you could take a single fin and amplify it? Always had that thought. What if the thruster's not it? What if there's something else out there that could, do everything a thruster can do and something that it can't do? And so about 1991 I thought of this idea, and the idea was to have 3 fins, all joining at the base, going in a sliding box. This one didn't come into operation until 2011. So for 20 years or more, I did nothing with it. I surfed the original myself, and I let a few others surf it, and it didn't go that well. And I canned it for 20 years. And then I thought, well, I'll have another crack. And this was the result. This actual fin was the result. And it's out there. You look at it and you think, wow, it's out there. And it is. And the thing was, this didn't work either. What this used to do is leave the water. These side fins would create so much vertical lift that this thing, over 2-foot waves, would leave the water. And so I basically gave up. We extended the length of these ones, dropped the centre one down so they're all very similar sizes, and this was trialled. This was surfed extensively in Indonesia and in Queensland, all up down the west coast of Western Australia, and it performed, but had a problem. It had a problem. And the problem was it lacked drive. It didn't have enough drive. What I needed to do to correct the drive problem, to give it more drive. It had plenty of manoeuvrability, plenty of pivot, but it lacked drive. This is called the quantum fin, and you'll notice straight away it has these drive platforms. So these were added on as afterthoughts, and what they do is elongate the base and allow the fin to draw out the turns and to have more drive, like a thruster, except it's not a thruster. But the most amazing thing is these side fins, foiled like aeroplane wings, provide vertical lift, and vertical lift gets the board on the plane earlier and keeps it there longer. So basically what it does is allows your surfboard to go faster. That it actually provides vertical lift, not straight up. It provides it 12 inches, 1 foot in front of the fin. It pushes the vertical lift forwards, right under where the surfer is. So his back foot is over the fin, and the vertical lift is right under the surfer, right where you want it to be. In 1980, Simon Anderson invented the thruster and released it to the world. That was 34 years ago, and in that time there has been no significant developments in the fin systems until now. 20 years ago I invented the quantum fin, and after extensive testing we're ready to release it to the world. The most versatile, manoeuvrable and the fastest fin on the planet.